Why is it that the rich keep getting richer while most people struggle to save? What if I told you there's a simple formula the top 1% use to grow their wealth without cutting out all the fun in life? In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the 15-65-20 system, a game-changing money strategy that lets you save like a pro, spend smart, and still enjoy life. Stick around, because this is the secret no one ever taught you in school. Step 1. Save and invest 15% of your income. One of the most significant differences between the wealthy and the average person is the approach to saving and investing. The wealthy prioritize setting aside a portion of their income before spending it. They recognize that money is a powerful tool for wealth creation, and instead of letting it sit idle in a bank account, they make their money work for them. By investing wisely, they ensure that their wealth continues to grow over time, leading to financial security and long-term prosperity. Financial advisors generally recommend saving between 10% to 20% of your income, with 15% being the ideal balance. This percentage is practical for most individuals, allowing them to build substantial wealth over time without sacrificing essential living expenses. By consistently saving 15% of your earnings, you create a safety net that ensures financial stability while also allowing room for discretionary spending and lifestyle choices. This habit, when maintained over several years, can significantly impact your financial future, providing opportunities for early retirement, financial independence, or major life investments. To maximize the benefits of saving and investing, it is crucial to allocate your 15% wisely. The first priority should be establishing an emergency fund. Financial experts recommend setting aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This fund acts as a cushion against unexpected financial shocks, such as medical emergencies, sudden job loss, or urgent home or car repairs. Having an emergency fund prevents you from dipping into your investments or accumulating debt in times of crisis. After securing an emergency fund, the next step is to invest in retirement accounts such as a 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA. These tax-advantaged accounts provide an excellent way to grow wealth over time. Many employers offer 401k plans with matching contributions, which means they will contribute additional funds to your account based on how much you invest. This is essentially free money that can compound significantly over the years. If your employer offers a matching contribution, it is wise to take full advantage of it. Beyond retirement accounts, diversifying investments is key to building long-term wealth. The stock market, particularly index funds such as the S&P 500, has historically delivered strong returns over time. Investing in low-cost index funds allows you to passively grow your wealth with minimal effort. Additionally, real estate investments, such as rental properties or real estate investment trusts, can provide steady passive income and long-term appreciation. Many wealthy individuals also invest in businesses or side hustles, generating multiple streams of income to accelerate wealth accumulation. To ensure consistency in saving and investing, automating your savings is highly recommended. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts ensures that money is allocated before you have the chance to spend it. This disciplined approach eliminates the temptation to overspend and helps maintain a consistent saving habit. By committing to saving and investing 15% of your income, you lay a strong foundation for financial security and wealth growth over time. Step 2. Allocate 65% for living expenses. Financial struggles often arise when people spend too much on lifestyle choices without setting proper limits. The 65% rule helps maintain a balance, ensuring that you live comfortably while keeping your finances in check. This approach allows you to cover all necessary expenses without jeopardizing your financial future. Living expenses encompass various essential costs, including housing, transportation, groceries, bills, and debt repayments. Housing costs, such as rent or mortgage payments, should ideally constitute no more than 30% of your income. If your housing expenses exceed this threshold, it may be worth considering downsizing or finding ways to reduce costs, such as refinancing a mortgage or negotiating rent. Transportation expenses, including car payments, fuel, maintenance, or public transit, should also be accounted for within this budget. If car costs are too high, switching to a more fuel-efficient vehicle or using public transportation can help save money. Other essential expenses include groceries, household supplies, and personal care items. Maintaining a budget for these necessities ensures that you do not overspend. Additionally, monthly bills such as utilities, internet, phone plans, and streaming subscriptions should be carefully managed. Cutting unnecessary subscriptions, negotiating better rates with service providers, or opting for more cost-feasible alternatives can free up extra cash for savings or investments. Debt payments, including credit card balances, student loans, and personal loans, should be factored into the 65% allocation as well. It is essential to prioritize paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible to avoid financial strain in the long run. Using budgeting apps like Mint or You Need a Budget can help track expenses and ensure you stay within the 65% limit. By maintaining discipline and regularly reviewing expenses, you can prevent overspending and avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. Step 3. Enjoy 20% of your income without guilt. Many individuals struggle with money management because they either overspend on non-essentials or deprive themselves entirely, leading to frustration and burnout. The 15-65-20 rule solves this issue by allocating 20% of your income specifically for enjoyment and personal indulgences. This ensures that you can have fun without feeling guilty or jeopardizing your financial health. The 20% enjoyment fund can be spent on various activities that enhance quality of life. Traveling and vacations allow you to explore new places, create lasting memories, and take necessary breaks from work. Dining out, entertainment, and social events, such as concerts, movies, and special outings, also fall under this category. Additionally, hobbies, shopping, and personal interests, such as purchasing gadgets, clothes, or books, can be enjoyed without financial stress. Spending on experiences rather than material possessions is often more fulfilling. Celebrating special occasions, giving gifts, and sharing experiences with loved ones can bring greater happiness and satisfaction. The key is to spend this money mindfully and in alignment with your personal values. To maximize the enjoyment fund without overspending, consider using cashback apps, discount codes, and reward programs. Setting a monthly budget for discretionary spending can help you stay within limits while still enjoying yourself. By being intentional with your spending, you can ensure that you get the most value out of your 20% allocation without negatively impacting your financial goals. Final thoughts. Achieve financial freedom with the 15-65-20 rule. The key difference between the wealthy and the average person is not just how much they earn, but how they manage their money. The 15-65-20 rule provides a simple yet effective framework for financial success. By consistently saving and investing 15% of your income, you ensure future financial security. By allocating 65% to essential living expenses, you maintain a sustainable lifestyle without overspending. And by dedicating 20% to enjoyment, you strike a balance between financial responsibility and personal fulfillment. Financial freedom is not about extreme frugality or reckless spending. It is about making smart choices with your money. By following the 15-65-20 rule, you can achieve financial stability, reduce stress, and enjoy life without guilt. Start applying this system today and take control of your financial future like the top 1% do. And there you have it, the 15-65-20 system that the wealthy use to build their fortune while still enjoying life. Just imagine where you'll be a year from now if you start today. So, what's stopping you? Smash that like button, subscribe for more life-changing financial tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest money goal? Let's grow our wealth together. See you in the next video.